Hello everyone, welcome to Sai Niketan online classes. In a previous class, we are solving the exercise problems on applications of integration. So in this class also, we will solve some of the problems. So in that first one, find the area of the region bounded by x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1, right? So clearly here x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. So clearly equation 1, so equation 1 represents ellipse, right? So clearly equation 1 represents a ellipse. So you know that, so and equation 1 is symmetric about both x-axis, x and y-axis, because you know that the properties of the symmetry of a curve, if the both even power of x and y is there, then that curve is always symmetric about both x-axis and y-axis. So therefore now we will draw the ellipse. So here it is x-axis, here it is a y, that is origin. So clearly this is the ellipse, right? So clearly it is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, right? Now I should find the area of this region. To find the area of this region, so clearly this curve cuts the x-axis. It means that equation 1 cuts the x-axis. Equation 1 cuts the x-axis. If it cuts the x-axis means its y coordinate is always 0, because so this curve cuts the x-axis means, so in this point the y coordinate is 0. So therefore substitute the value of y equal to 0 in this equation. So that is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So therefore clearly x square by 16 plus y square divided by 9 is equal to 1. So clearly the value of a is 4, the value of b is 3. So clearly here a is more than b means we will get the curve like this only, right? So therefore substitute the value of y equal to 0. So here I got x square by 16 plus 0, because 0 by 9 means 0, that is equal to 1, or x square is equal to 16. Just I have taken this 16 to this side. So therefore what is the value of x? So clearly the value of x is plus or minus of 4, right? Now I got the value of x is equal to 4 and x equal to minus of 4. So x equal to 4 means here, so the point is 4 comma 0, and here it is minus 4 comma 0. So clearly here what is the value of x? The value of x is 4. The value of x is 4 means clearly it is a line parallel to y-axis, right? So here the value of x is 0 and here the value of x equal to 4. Now here the point is a and this is a point b. Now I will find the area of OAB, so that this area and this area and this area is always the same. So first I will find this area. For this area I will multiply 4, so that I will get the total area of this ellipse. So therefore here I will write the required area, that is equal to area of the region bounded by area of the region OAB. Clearly it lies on x-axis with the line x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. Is it right? So it means that first I will find this area. And for this area I will multiply 4. So if I multiply 4 means I will get the total area of this ellipse, right? So therefore required area is equal to 4 times 0 to 4, and clearly it lies on y. So therefore y into dx, right? So therefore now I should find the value of y. So therefore x square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 9 is equal to 1. So therefore to get the value of y, so simplify this one, y square divided by 16 equal to 1 minus x square divided by 16, right? So taking LCM, y square divided by 16 is equal to 16 minus of x square divided by 16, right? So sorry, here it is 9 and here also 9, y square by 9, that is equal to 16 minus x square divided by 16, right? Now I should find the value of y, so that therefore here I will write, so therefore the remaining will continue here. So therefore y is equal to, take this 9 to this side, so clearly this becomes 9 divided by 16, right, into, so clearly it is a 16 minus of x square, right? So just I have taken 9 to this side, 9 upon 16, and here it is 16 minus x square. So clearly here it is y square is there, so I have taken to get the value of y, I should take the root. So therefore what is the value of y? So the root of 9 is 3, so therefore 3 divided by 4 into root of 16 minus of x square. So this gives the value of y. Now I will substitute the value of y here, therefore that is equal to 4 times 0 to 4. What is the value of y? The value of y is 3 by 4 into square root of 16 minus of x square into dx, right? Now required area is equal to 4 upon, right? So take this 3 by 4 here, 3 by 4 into 0 to 4. So here I will write a 16 like this, 4 square minus of x square into dx. So here 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So what is the value? A is equal to 3 times 0 to 4, and here it is 4 square minus x square into what? Dx, right? Now again it is in the form of root of a square minus of x square. So you know that the formula of root integration of root of a square minus of x square, that is x by 2 into square root of 4 square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square means 16 by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. A is 4 over the limit what? 0 to 4, over the limit 0 to 4. Now first I will substitute the upper limit, after that I have to substitute the lower limit. Therefore required area is equal to 3 times, the upper limit is 4, therefore 4 divided by 2 into square root of 4 square minus x square. In the place of x I should substitute 4 square, plus here it is 16 by 2 means 8 into what? Sin inverse of 4 by 4. Right, so this is up to upper limit is over. Next I should substitute the lower limit, so that is 0 by 2 into square root of 4 square minus of 0 square, plus here it is 8 into sin inverse of 0, right? So sin inverse of 0 means so clearly 0 by 2 means 0 into this term becomes 0, and here it is sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? 0. So therefore clearly this term becomes 0, right? Now so here it is only we got like this, so therefore 3 into, here it is 4 square minus of 4 square means 0 into this term 0, plus 8 into sin inverse of 1. So here 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so here we got sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 means that is pi by 2, it is pi by 2, and remaining terms becomes here 0, right? So simplify this one, 2 1s are 2, 4s are, so therefore required area is 3 into here 4 pi, we got 4 pi, so therefore 3 into 4 means that is equal to 12 pi units. So this gives the area of the ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So therefore here also we got the area of the ellipse, that is equal to 12 pi, right? So what is the area of the ellipse? So area of ellipse is always pi AB. So you should remember this formula. Area of circle is pi r square. In the same way the area of the ellipse is always pi into AB. So here we have to cross verify our answer. So here what is the value of A? 4. What is the value of B? 3. So 4 into 3, 12. So therefore our answer is also 12 pi. Is it right? Okay, we'll go for next one. Next question. Okay, the next question is here. Find the area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, the line x equal to root 3y, the line x is equal to root 3y, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, here you should observe, here we should find the area enclosed by circle and line. Okay, so here they have given the equation of the circle, right? X square by y square is equal to what? 4. Call this as 1. So clearly it represents equation of a circle. So equation of a circle, or equation 1 is a equation of a circle, and it is symmetric about both x and y axis. Because why it is symmetric about both x axis and y axis? We know that the properties of symmetry of a curve, if both even power of x and y is there, so clearly that is always symmetric about both x axis and y axis. And also it cuts the x axis. So equation 1 cuts the x axis, because so if it cuts the x axis means its y coordinate is 0. So therefore clearly what is the equation? X square by y square is equal to a square. So here it is 4 is there, right? So it cuts the x axis means y coordinate is 0, means x square plus 0 is equal to 4. So what is the value of x? So the value of x is plus or minus of 2, right? So now I will draw the circle like this. So here it is x, here it is a y, here it is a origin. So actually this is the circle. So what is the circle? This is a x square plus y square is equal to 4. So it cuts the x axis means y coordinate is 0. So now after substituting y equal to 0, here we got x equal to 2. So here what is the point of this one? So that is 2 comma 0. That use the 2 comma 0. And here what is the value of x? X equal to 2. Here it is 2 comma 0 is there, means here minus 2 comma 0, because it is a negative x axis. Now what is the value of x? X equal to 2. If x equal to 2 means clearly it is a line parallel to y axis, right? Next, so this is the first one is over. Next, now we should take the line. So what is the line? X equal to root 3y is there. X equal to root 3y is there. So it is a line, right? So again here it is a straight line. Now I should check whether this straight line is passing through origin or not. So for this, put the value of x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 0. So clearly the first point is, or we'll take like this, right? So here it is x and here it is y. Now put the value of x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 0. Put the value of y equal to 0, the value of x is 0. So clearly x equal to root 3y, line passing through the origin, because after substituting the value of x and y, here I got 0 comma 0. So clearly x equal to root 3y, it is a line passing through what? Origin. So here we should take like this, right? So this is the line x equal to root 3y. Okay, next, here you should observe, I should find the area enclosed by the circle and line in the first quadrant. So clearly this is the area, right? This is the area, right? This area lies in first quadrant and it is enclosed by this circle and a straight line. Now I should find this area only, right? To find this area only, here you should observe at this point, that point here I will call B. At the point B, both circle and line are intersected, right? So at the point B, both line as well as the circle are intersect. Now I should find the point of contact, point of intersection. To find point of intersection, that is point B. To find the point of intersection, I should solve x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x equal to root 3y, right? So if you want to get the point of intersection of a line and curve, just you should solve both the equation to get the point of intersection. Now what is the value of x? X is root 3y. I will substitute the value of x equal to root 3y in this equation. So clearly here I am getting a root 3y whole square plus y square equal to 4, right? So here it is 3, root and 3 will get root and 2 will get cancelled. So clearly 3y square plus y square equal to 4 or 4y square. 4y square is equal to what? 4. Y is equal to again plus or minus of 1. Here what is the value of y? Plus or minus of 1. Here it is plus y and here it is a minus y. So here I will consider only plus, because clearly this lies here. I want to find the area in first quadrant, means the value of y is 1. Now I will substitute the value of y in this equation, that is x equal to root 3y, right? So what is the value of y? 1. So therefore what is the value of x? The value of x is root 3. Therefore the point of contact, that is x comma y, that is equal to root 3 comma 1. Now this is the point, that point is root 3 comma 1. Here you should observe what is the value of x here? The value of x is root 3. The value of x is root 3 means clearly that line is parallel to y-axis. So here I will take another line. So this gives x equal to root 3. Is it right? Next. Now here this total area is divided into two parts, that is A1 and A2. A1 and A2. So the A1 is A1 that gives the area enclosed by line. A2 that gives the area enclosed by circle, because here you got like this. So here it is like this. This is the circle, right? So here it is a origin. This is a point A. This is a point B. Actually I should find this area. To find this area, so here I got the value of x equal to root 3, and here it is one more line is there. The value of x is here 2. Now actually I should find this one and this. Required area is A1 plus A2. If you want to find a1, here the line is x equal to root 3y. If you want to find a2, the curve is x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now I should find this area and this area. Now you should add both the areas to get the total area, right? So therefore the required area. So the required area here will write required area. Otherwise I will remove this one, right? So actually we got the point of intersection, that is root 3y. So I will remove this one. Next required area here we should find, okay? Required area. Therefore here I will write the required area is required area that is equal to a1 plus a2, right? Or a is equal to a1 plus a2, right? Call this as star. Now I should find star. To find star, first we should find a1. a1 is equal to area of the region, that is O. Here this is a O, and here I will call this as C. OCB. Clearly it lies on x-axis with the line x equal to 0 and x equal to root 3. Here I should observe, here the value of x is 0. 0 to root 3 means here I should get this one. And clearly it is a line, that is x equal to root 3y. So therefore this gives a1. So therefore a1 is equal to what? So integration of 0 to root 3 y into dx. Right. So here what is the value of y? So what is the given equation? X equal to root 3 y means, so x by root 3 is equal to y, right? So I will substitute the value of y here. Therefore a1 is equal to 0 to root 3. What is the value of y? X by root 3 into dx, right? Now I will take this root 3 outside the integral. Root 3 0 to root 3 x into dx. Right, x into dx. What is the integration of x? That is, therefore a1 is equal to 1 by root 3 as it is. So integration of x is x square divided by 2 over the limit 0 to root 3. Right. Now I will substitute the upper limit, after that lower limit. I will take this 2 to here. Therefore a1 becomes 1 upon 2 root 3 and the remaining is x square. Substitute the upper limit. Therefore this becomes 3 root 3 to root 3 whole square minus lower limit is 0, that is 0 square. Here this 2 and root will get cancelled. 0 square means 0. So therefore what is the required answer? a1, right? So a1 is equal to what you are getting, 3 upon 2 root 3. 3 upon 2 root 3, or simplify this one. So multiply and divide by this 2 root 3. So here you are getting root 3 divided by root 3. So 3 root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 into root 3 means root 3 whole square, hence it becomes 3 only. So here this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What is the answer? That is root 3. Now you got a1. What is the value of a1? a1 is root 3. So therefore clearly a1. So here I will write what is the value of a1? Root 3 divided by 2 units. Root 3 divided by 2 units. Now here I got the value of a1. Similarly I should find a2, right? So again here I will remove this one, right? Okay, so clearly here a is equal to a1 plus a2, right? Already we find the value of a1. Similarly we should find the value of a2. Therefore a2 is nothing but area of the region bounded by it is CAB, right? So CAB, clearly it lies on x-axis with the line x equal to what? Root 3. X equal to root 3 to x equal to 2, right? Okay. Now, so therefore a2 is equal to a2 is equal to integration of root 3 to 2 y into dx, right? So clearly here it is x square plus y square is equal to what? 4 is there, y square is equal to 4 minus x square, or y is equal to 2 square minus of x square. Now I got the value of y. I will substitute the value of y in this integral. Therefore a2 is equal to root 3 to 2. What is the value of y? That is 2 square minus of a square into dx. Again we know the formula, that is integration of root of a square minus x square. So that is the formula, x by 2 into square root of 2 square minus x square plus a square. A square means 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a is here 2, over the limit root 3 to 2. Is it right? Now we should substitute the upper limit after that lower limit. So therefore a2 is equal to, in the place of x we have to substitute 2 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus of 2 square, plus here it is 2 1s are 2 2s are means 2 into sine inverse of 2 by 2. So up to this the upper limit is over, minus of lower limit. What is the lower limit? Root 3. So clearly it is a root 3 divided by 2 into square root of 4 minus, what is the value of x? Root 3 means clearly it is a root 3 whole square, right? Plus here it is 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 means 2. So 2 into sine inverse of x. What is the value of x? Root 3. So therefore clearly it is a root 3 divided by 2, right? Now so here 2 square minus 2 square means clearly this term becomes 0, and here it is 2, and here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine inverse of 1 means pi by 2. So therefore required answer is, so here it is 0, 2 into pi by 2, right, minus this one lower limit. So here it is root 3 by 2 as it is, right, and here it is 2 and root will get cancelled. 4 minus 3 means 1, root of 4 minus 3 means 1, means clearly it is a 1, plus 2 into sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means 60. 60 is nothing but pi by 3. Is it right? Now simplify this one. So clearly a2 is equal to, here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and here pi minus of root 3 by 2 and minus of 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So this gives the value of a2. Okay, next. Now we have to substitute the value of a2 and a1 in star. So therefore here I will write from star, that is a is equal to a1 plus a2. What is the value of a1? That is root 3 by 2 plus, what is the value of a2? That is pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3, right? So here minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 will get cancelled. A is equal to pi minus 2 pi by 3. So simplify this one. So clearly the LCM is 3 pi minus of 2 pi. So therefore answer is 3 pi minus 2 pi means pi. Therefore your answer is pi by 3. Right? So this gives the required area, that is pi by 3. Okay.